Hey there, welcome to PromptGuru, where AI is explained like you are chatting with a friend. No face, no drama, just text served with a smile. Today's dish, a sizzling hot explanation of ChatGPT. Ever wondered how people are talking to a computer and getting love letters, code, or even recipes? Stick around, we will spill the tea on what this magical robot thing actually is. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a computer program made by a company called OpenAI. You can type a question or request and it will reply back with human-like answers. It works like a chatbot. You type, it types back, but it's much smarter than your regular chatbot. It can answer your questions, write emails, stories, or jokes, help with homework or research, explain things you don't understand, even write code for apps or websites. Imagine talking to a robot that's read millions of books and websites and now it wants to help you write, learn, solve problems, and sound clever, all without making fun of your spelling. That's ChatGPT. How does it work? Now, don't worry, I won't bore you with PhDs and rocket science. See, ChatGPT is trained on massive data from books, blogs, Reddit drama, and who knows what else. It doesn't know the truth, but it's insanely good at guessing what it makes sense. Like autocomplete, but on 14 cups of coffee. Okay, now this part is fun. Students use it for fake study notes. Coders would use it to debug like pros. Creators get story ideas. Marketers, oh, they are practically married to it. And me, I once asked it to write a song about Maggie noodles. It did. It rhymed. It was glorious. Now, this is a funny thing. I just asked ChatGPT, write a horror story about a toaster in 4 to 5 lines because I mentioned that 4 to 5 lines because if I have not written that, if I mention only write a horror story about toaster, it will gives me one essay type. So I clearly mentioned that I need it in 4 to 5 lines. You can see the response, right? So this is a interesting one. Okay. Now that's you have met our robot friend. So what's next? Tomorrow we are diving into how you can use ChatGPT like a pro. If you are complete beginner, think of me as your AI2 guide minus the khaki shots. Subscribes, like, do a little dance, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.